Making money in 2023. There are many ways to make money in 2023, and the best strategy for you will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are a few ideas to consider. Number 1. Start a business. If you have a unique product or service to offer, starting your own business can be a lucrative way to make money. Consider developing a business plan and identifying your target market to increase your chances of success. Number 2. Freelance. If you have a particular skill or expertise, such as writing, design, or programming, you may be able to make money by offering your services on a freelance basis. There are many websites that can help you find freelance work, such as Upwork or Fiverr. Number 3. Invest in the stock market. Investing in stocks can be a good way to grow your wealth over the long term. It's important to do your research and be aware of the risks involved, as the stock market can be volatile. Number 4. Rent out property. If you own a rental property, such as a house or apartment, you can make money by renting it out to tenants. This can be a good source of passive income, but it also involves responsibilities such as maintaining the property and finding reliable tenants. Number 5. Sell products or services online. There are many online marketplaces, such as eBay and Etsy, where you can sell products or services. Consider what you have to offer and how you can stand out in the online market. Remember, it's important to be realistic and to have a plan in place to achieve your financial goals. It may also be helpful to seek the advice of a financial professional to help you make the most of your resources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, share and comment down below.